One.
Hi, today I'm gonna make Chinese broccoli stir fry. The thing we have today is onion, Chinese onion. This is onion, Chinese broccoli, and oyster sauce. First of all, we have to make it hot, like the high for the fire.
Yeah.
And this is onion, right? And put your hand. Ow! Damn it! Yeah, now we put it in. First of all, just put on the onion. Right, man?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now it's my... You have to make it faster, right? Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, look good, look good. And now, our thing is...
Just
Oh my god! Woo, look good. Never seen something like this look good like this before, my friend, man. Chinese food is, we have to go fast and fast, you know? Everything has to be fast because it's gonna burn up. Alright. Now it's time for oyster sauce. Yeah, I got it, man. Our oyster sauce is, you know, is... Damn it! Can you give me a new one? Come on, faster, man. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Stop laughing, man. Stop laughing. It looks good, right? No, but we have to put it more, man. Yeah. That's my cousin's night. I have to say thank you for helping today. Hey, my friend, see? Focus on that. Look good. Smells pretty good. Yeah.
ค่าของก็มีนะครับ
No, my first.